Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the key tax changes in the Finance Bill 2025 and what they mean for businesses and taxpayers in Kenya. Let's dive right in. The Finance Bill 2025 is less about new taxes and more about sealing loopholes in tax collection. It also quietly expands KRA's access to taxpayer data through changes to the Tax Procedures Act. One major proposal is the removal of legal protection that previously stopped KRA from forcing businesses to integrate systems that expose trade secrets or personal data. This could raise serious privacy and cybersecurity concerns. The bill also gives the Cabinet Secretary new powers to waive penalties and interest caused by system errors or tax software glitches. These powers were removed in the 2023 Finance Act, but are now making a comeback. The bill proposes to shift several items from zero-rated to VAT-exempt status. These include mobile phones, solar and lithium batteries, electric bikes, inputs for animal feeds and pharmaceuticals. This shift means producers can no longer reclaim input VAT, which could lead to higher consumer prices, especially in healthcare, agriculture, and renewable energy. Another big change: if you use exempt or zero-rated goods in unintended ways, you'll have to pay VAT on them. But how intent is measured remains unclear. Also, KRA will now have more time to handle VAT refunds. The processing window goes from 90 to 120 days, and audits from 120 to 180 days, delays that could hit cash flow for exporters and capital-heavy businesses. There are a few welcome changes here. First, the tax-free per diem allowance is rising from 2,000 to 10,000 shillings per day. Good news for employees who travel for work. Second, gratuity will now be tax-exempt, giving relief to employees leaving service. And finally, there's an exemption from capital gains tax for individuals transferring property to companies they fully own. So, in summary, the Finance Bill 2025 is all about tightening administration, shifting VAT structures, and offering targeted tax reliefs. But some changes, like system integration and VAT use rules, may raise legal and compliance concerns. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on tax, finance, and policy changes in Kenya. Got questions or thoughts about the bill? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. We'll be doing a deeper analysis into each of these proposals, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.